chicken Divan.
The items you're going to need for this are mayonnaise, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Whoa. Stop. Canned soup and store-bought mayo? You're kidding, right? We could do better than that. Scratch-made anything is better than store-bought, so it should equate to a better overall dish. We're going to find out. So if you need to know how to make mayo from scratch, click on the link right here. Mayo from scratch. Scratch cream of chicken soup? That's easy too. Just follow this link. Cream of chicken soup from scratch. Back to the video. Trim 2 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut them into 1 to 2 inch cubes. Get a clean cutting board because raw chicken bacteria, salmonella, place in a bowl and set aside. I'm going to spare you from the grate your own cheese lecture today. Grate your own cheese. Now that we've made our mayo and our cream of chicken soup, we're going to add both to the bowl of a stand mixer with a dough hook attachment. To that, we're going to add a curry powder, 2 tablespoons. Trust me on this one. 1/2 to 3/4 of your cheese to the mixing bowl, along with the juice of 3 to 5 lemons. Lemon amount can vary, depends on how you like it. Turn your stand mixer on medium, and after about 3 seconds, realize the dough hook is not the right tool for the job, and switch to the mixing paddle to find that it works way better. Mix until combined. Head over to your cooktop, get yourself a large frying pan. Ours is a 12-inch Maiden stainless steel. Shout out to Maiden. If you're looking for another cooking channel to sponsor like you do the Anti-Chef, we're available. 2 to 3 tablespoons of neutral oil in your pan over medium to high heat. Add your chicken, season generously with fresh ground pepper and kosher salt. We aren't trying to get color on the chicken, just cook it through. Get your 9x13 baking dish, add your chicken, and a bag of frozen broccoli. Add your soup mixture to the baking dish and make sure you spread it evenly. To that, we're going to add the remainder of the cheese. Place into a preheated oven set to 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And once you see bubbling in the middle, you're ready to serve. Serve over white rice. Since I'm feeding a family of 4, and this is what you end up with. Decimated. Dinner is served.